Mercedes-Benz Actros is a heavy-duty truck introduced by Mercedes-Benz at the 1996 Commercial Vehicle IAA in Hanover, Germany, as the replacement for the SK. It is normally used for long-distance haulage, heavy-duty distribution haulage, and construction haulage. It is powered by an inline-six diesel engine with a turbocharger and intercooler. Daimler Trucks, Lorries launched version 2 of the Actros in 2002 and version 3 in 2007. The fourth generation of the Actros, officially named the New Actros, launched in July 2011. The first generation Actros was introduced in 1996 and production continued until 2003. It had new features such as an electronically controlled air brake system, intelligent disc brakes on both front and rear, and the introduction of controller area network (CAN) technology for the chassis and drivetrain. The electro-pneumatic circuit on the new transmission models and the introduction of the new OM500 V6 and V8 diesel engines with intelligent engine control were also notable advancements. As the first truck to emerge with collaboration between designers and aerodynamic engineers, the manufacturer was able to reduce flow resistance on the Actros by 17%. The chassis of the Actros is produced with 2, 3, or 4 axle models, with the option of air suspension. A total of 3,300mm and 6,300mm wheelbases can be selected. The construction version of the Actros is available between 3,300 and 5,100mm wheelbases, with the option of leaf or air suspension on the front axle and parabolic leaf springs on the rear. The construction variant of the Actros with a 4x2 axle configuration is equipped with drum brakes. The engines for the MP1 Actros are equipped with an OM501LA V6 or OM502 V8 mated to a 16-speed manual gearbox or a 16-speed hydro-pneumatically operated automatic gearbox. A new feature of the Actros is the pump line nozzle fuel injection system, an improvement over the more traditional plug-in pumps that have been used for decades. Each cylinder has its own injection pump, which is driven by its own camshaft. The second generation Actros was released in 2003 with upgraded interior and exterior components such as bi-xenon headlamps, updated Euro 3 emission compliance, a lighter rear axle, and new equipment. Mercedes-Benz released a new special edition of the Actros, the Black Edition series, which is limited to 250 units. This Black Edition series comes with a 612 horsepower OM502LA V8 engine with upgraded interior and exterior components such as bird's eye maple, leather-wrapped steering wheel and seat covers with Mercedes-Benz Star Badge, a specially designed grille with chrome clasp, a new front apron with stainless steel grille, chrome-framed headlights and chrome-plated side mirrors. The third generation Actros was introduced in 2008 at the IA Commercial Vehicles, and it was the last facelift of the previous Actros. At the time of launch, the Actros was the first truck in the segment to offer an automatic transmission as standard. The changes introduced in the MP3 Actros include redesigned side mirrors adapted from special edition models of the previous generation, featuring closed brackets and slightly revised bi-xenon headlamps. Additionally, a battery status indicator and rain and light sensors were added, marking a world first for a truck. Production of the third generation Actros ended in 2011, with the new Actros replacing it. However, production continued in Asia and other countries until 2020. The Mercedes-Benz Actros is equipped with 2 engine options, the OM501 LA541 and the OM502 LA542. The OM501 is a 12-liter V6 with power outputs ranging from 310 HP to 480 HP. It utilizes the PLD, Pump Lighting Dues, German abbreviation, engine management system, incorporating single plug-in pumps for each cylinder, supplying fuel under pressure up to 1,600 bar to the injection valves. A control unit, MR, monitors all engine operating conditions via several sensors and adjusts the injection pressure accordingly. The OM502 is a V8 engine with power outputs ranging from 350 HP to 652 HP. The fourth version offers several engine options compliant with Euro 5 or Euro 6 standards. In Euro 6, inline-6 engines are utilized in both series. OM471 with a 12.8-liter engine range, producing power output from 422 HP to 530 HP, and OM473 with a 15.6-liter engine range, producing power output from 517 HP to 625 HP. These engines feature a fuel rail pressure of 2800 bar and a double overhead camshaft (DOHC) with 24 valves in compliant models. The second generation features an electronic sequential gearbox, dubbed the Telligent Gearbox by Mercedes-Benz. It advances the principle used in some earlier Mercedes-Benz tractors, using the gear shift lever to command a pneumatically actuated system that changes gears. The Telligent Gearbox utilizes a computer along with a load-sensing system on the fifth wheel coupling to estimate the appropriate gear for the truck's requirements. There's also an automatic version that operates similarly to the Tiptronic system found in Mercedes-Benz cars. The fourth version, launched in 2011, exclusively offers the 12-speed PowerShift transmission. This system consists of a small lever, tilted for ergonomics, mounted under the right armrest and a flat switch underneath. The lever has two buttons on either side. When at a standstill, the driver must push the right button, then, while holding it, push the lever forward and release it. The current gear is displayed as a large number on the main display. After the gear shift, a double click is sounded through the speakers, and the driver proceeds with normal operation. While moving, the driver has two choices. They may push or pull the lever to let the computer choose the gear, or they can use the splitter switch, the small switch under the lever, to pre-select gears. In either case, the gear is selected first, then the clutch is depressed. For example, if the truck is in fourth gear, pulling the splitter switch up once pre-selects fifth gear. The left button, known as the flush button as it is flush with the lever, is used to switch to neutral. The Actros cabs are available in four types. S, designed for daily operation and construction vehicles like cement trucks. The daily cab features a lower front bumper to prevent underrun, while the construction version has a higher front bumper to prevent obstacles when driving off-road. M, designed for distribution vehicles, it offers a sleeper but with less focus on comfort compared to the L cab. It comes in short and long sleeper versions. L, low roof long haul cab providing comfortable driving and rest for the driver. LH Mega Space, long haul high roof cab, providing comfort for extended driving and ample space for the driver and/or passenger to move around the cab when needed.